All right, so I brought it outside and it has not been started in about 3 weeks, maybe even 4. So I'm gonna turn the key. You can see 37,685 is the miles. I'm gonna turn a petcock on. So this is the gas, and there are 2 gas petcocks, one on that side you can't see because of the light. Sorry about the lighting problem. And then here's the choke. So we're gonna open the choke all the way up. And I'm going to have to put you down on the seat for a moment because I need to hold the clutch in while I start it.